Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can make a channel member on WhatsApp an admin on PC or laptop, for example, to give the given user the permission to work as an admin inside your channel on WhatsApp. So let us guide you through it. Launch WhatsApp on your device, for example, on your PC or laptop, or access it via Google Chrome. Head over to channels in the top left corner and access the channels you would like to edit. Let me go with this one here, Gaming Buddies. So what you want to do is click into these three dots in the top right, select channel info, and scroll down a bit till you get to the followers section, guys. So here you will see the given channel followers, which is in this case only me currently because I just created that channel and am also the owner and the only admin. So guys, you can invite new members by using that channel link here and send it to your contacts and friends. And alternatively, guys, you can invite them as admins by clicking into this button here. And after that, read through that permission disclaimer here, click into invite. And after that, select the contact from your contact list to make him or her an admin. And that's basically it. That's how it works, guys. Simply click into that checkbox here to the left to make the user an admin. Click into this button here to send the invitation. And after that, the invitation will be sent to the given user to make him or her an admin. So wait for the person to accept the invitation, and after that the given user will be a channel admin. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.